Hey guys, are you like me and you have way too many devices to charge? And these are not all, by the way. These are just a few I was able to scrape up. You know how frustrating it can be to try to charge all this, with having so many different adapters and cables and all kinds of craziness. But there is a solution to charge all your stuff all at once while being organized and not have a huge mess or try to figure out where every charger is and stuff like that. It is a charging station, just like this. You have multiple ports and you have slots to put all your devices in. So I'm kind of excited to use this and to see if it'll make my charging life a little bit easier. Alright guys, so this is the box, not too much here. It does say here it's from 100 to 240 volts, so I guess this could work technically anywhere in the world. Each port has a max output of 2.4 amps and a total of 8 amps. Regular box here. And here we go. So I like when they wrap things because it keeps them clean and dust free, and it's just a much better experience when you're unboxing it. Alright, so it looks very nice. This is actually a rubber finish here. Very nice soft touch rubber. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. Looks like an LED light here maybe. Here is the main plug for the outlet, and we got an on and off switch. Very cool if you wanted to turn it off. And we have pretty nice feet here for non-slippage. And that's about it. Pretty cool. So the unique thing about this kit is that it comes with cables also. This is one of the things that's nice because you have everything you need in one kit. Here are all the cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cables actually, guys. So on one end they're all USB. And on the other end here, let's see what we have. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 lightning cables, which is not a problem, I guess, but I have mostly Android stuff. Here we have 1 USB-C and a micro USB. So I actually use a lot of these. I have one of these and I have one of the lightnings. So that's basically it. So I'll probably have to use my own cables. So it's nice that they provided so many lightning cables. And unfortunately, I don't need this many. But if you have an Apple devices, this is definitely nice for you. So here we have the power cable. And everything's white, guys, by the way, which is really nice aesthetically if you like white. So here we have the dividers. These will keep your phone and tablets sitting on top of the charger here. So clear dividers here. They look pretty nice overall. So they have a little notch here where they clip in. So they're really sturdy, as you can see. Alright, and this is what it looks like once you get all your spacers in. It's actually pretty nice looking. I'm gonna plug in the power cord. Alright, so we got a little blue LED here that came up. You can see, guys, right there. So the power is on. I kind of don't like the way I put in these dividers. I think I'm gonna just skip every other one. This makes a lot more sense. I don't know what I was thinking in the beginning. It does come with the extra plate. I guess that's good. So we'll just keep that in the box. So device number 1, good. Device number 2, charging, good. Alright, so now we're starting to stack up a little bit. We got a bunch of devices that are charging. So we got a phone, another phone, tablet. So this is really nice if you don't have enough room to put all this stuff and organize it nicely. So you can put them all on this dock here, charging dock, and they all could charge at once. So you can make yourself a little like a charging station. Once you're done with your device, just bring it here and plug it in and leave it, especially iPads. And technically you can just plug all your iPads in here if you have a bunch of pads. Alright guys, so here's a little better view of it. Pretty nice. And from the top here, you can see everything stacks up really good. So thumbs up for this thing, very cool. So yeah guys, this is a pretty cool charging station. So if you need something like this could be very useful. I'd recommend this one, and you know, they don't cost that much money, but they definitely, you know, organize your stuff and keep your stuff clean and most importantly charged. Alright guys, so hopefully you found this review useful. If you want to get one of these chargers like this, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this and others, and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.